Yotkom lamego manye kiloni Gloria na wanyaga ma anti-passionate mober advocate pa jo magitu kitu jonyo nyo HIV 1 oberka lock but bin mapira takati Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities gian good introducing toro maki toro me fighting HIV AIDS to jonyo enemy drama mapapat skits mapapat enemy Tamoni, this is so good part. Using art, me fighting HIV AIDS. Yes, those days when I was growing up, I remember army school, no kifonyo watu tuwalika acting drama. Me sensitizing dano kom HIV AIDS. I remember we used to go to markets when I was in Mbale. And then even when they took me a chair kwani Moroto, by the way, I studied in Karamoja Usoba. Akwani Karamoja Mwakachi Elbene would go to Kamswahili, Kenya, any act, drama, all for HIV. And then all of a sudden, that thing, around 2007, 2005, the initiative died. But now, right now, Minister of Tourism, okay, we are bringing it back. Mekonyo.
Dano fonye yoma part. Tie jamagi fonye eket metoro, onyogino ngeji eket metoro. Tie jamakene magimete kimini fonye direct. Now, fonye mapira tek loyeng Sara, ene fonye mabionu ki galo wan. Music, dance, and drama. Ma wan luoni Goga. Now, Goga ti format ma part. Iramo karo Goga mano intimu loka ken wek dano beda nyero, erne ti fonye dano. Iramo timu Goga maikeri we, benefut karo. Iramo wachu Goga mano kare char lok. Iwajo dano nyang. Bena dano charo giluru gipenyo ke ken waj nyiro wajo ngo. Now eni gen mano dano tamani tika ruenyo. Dano kumbetu karo chwenye ji Mario. Ko mon ke ma. Gimoy ken sweet love. We ma chata bena ba. We ma ya yang matego ma lokom pero kito tika bino kwede. Pero ma rom berutie I lokom tuo jonyo. Pero ma rom amir wachini you see kenero mot kid madano aware kwere kara me COVID ni. Now that was the right advocacy. Ni COVID nego dano COVID ti marach. The way madwo being aware lokum COVID. I think the transformation journey was the message magochwalo. Now karama one take a don 1991 ki Kenya ma one frutino and I was even let me say I was a baby. Ata ngeni kara ni ki wachi no 240 matek. No 40 slim makwa slim ti any komeni. Now we no team attack. Today is me, Pafili Bongelutani, has stood the test of time. Piemo where we matika fonyo dano ilokum to Jonyo.
Yes.
Petie we mo matie bibino Uganda kany mabaloy we amni. Regardless ngamu wero. Dano timo replay ne peko logi mo eken. Kumbe the Uganda Tourism Board mi bino ka packaging. Waini wano dogo chen ka miyo fonyi dano kono karo ikom Goga turo kingogini. I think they're going back in the right place. The creative industry mere jim mugma pat kiro mere kechwal ko the message idano. Iramo go skit ma megi matiri netika fonyo dano wa boli TikTok. Iramo bol skit matiri iwe kibol avenues mi no message egoni tie madwong ento ka pekele yo madano maro ibi logo kwe wo logo dano logo eni tuo jonyo kipeni tuo jonyo tie wa tim ngo. They need creative ways of consuming this content. And I think redefining the move, me doctor kanana wa chwalo kining bodano, Goga romotich, bokolok romotich, lok romotich, kategatich, watiyu kining wa chat bodano will change the definition of the campaign.
All right, but still peda ko orni kon ki mier ko kikeli kon Goga erane, nyo skit, nyo drama, nyo movie, whatever case you want to call it, kade gwake digin mayo tutwal pwony we in December 14 month. Mameka wano preaching against HIV, AIDS, infections and reinfections.